The business analyst, BA, plays a vital role bridging business stakeholders and technical teams, ensuring clear communication and alignment. BAs gather and analyze requirements, design solutions, and validate outcomes to meet business goals. They clarify complex needs, translating them into actionable tasks for technical teams while keeping stakeholders informed. This liaison role reduces misunderstandings and improves project success rates by up to 25%. By facilitating shared understanding, BAs help organizations navigate change, avoid costly rework, and deliver value-driven solutions. Their blend of communication and analytical skills makes them essential for successful projects in today's fast-paced, technology-driven business environment. The business analyst, BA, plays a vital role bridging business stakeholders and technical teams, ensuring clear communication and alignment. BAs gather and analyze requirements, design solutions, and validate outcomes to meet business goals. They clarify complex needs, translating them into actionable tasks for technical teams while keeping stakeholders informed. This liaison role reduces misunderstandings and improves project success rates by up to 25%. By facilitating shared understanding, BAs help organizations navigate change, avoid costly rework, and deliver value-driven solutions. Their blend of communication and analytical skills makes them essential for successful projects in today's fast-paced, technology-driven business environment. Business analysts rely on key tool categories to perform their roles effectively. Documentation and collaboration tools centralize information, ensure traceability, and maintain clear communication among stakeholders. Data analysis and visualization tools help BAs extract insights from data, enabling informed, data-driven decisions. Process modeling and diagramming tools allow BAs to map workflows, identify inefficiencies, and communicate process changes clearly. Lastly, project management tools support task tracking, sprint management, and progress monitoring, keeping projects organized and aligned. Together, these tools empower BAs to bridge gaps, improve efficiency, and drive successful project outcomes. Documentation and collaboration tools are essential for business analysts to centralize information and maintain clear communication. Confluence Atlassian is a popular wiki-style platform used by over 75,000 organizations to manage requirements, meeting notes, and knowledge bases, promoting easy access and version control. Microsoft Word and Google Docs are widely used for formal documentation such as business requirements documents, BRDs, and policy manuals, offering structured text editing and collaborative features. Common use cases for these tools include capturing user stories, drafting functional specifications, and maintaining stakeholder registers. These platforms ensure traceability and support collaboration, helping BAs organize project artifacts and keep teams aligned throughout the project lifecycle. Data analysis and visualization tools are vital for business analysts to interpret and communicate insights effectively. Microsoft Excel is widely used by over 80% of BAs for ad hoc analysis, pivot tables, and managing small data sets. For more advanced and interactive data visualization, Power BI and Tableau enable the creation of dashboards that reveal complex trends. Power BI holds about 14% market share, while Tableau has around 12%. Additionally, SQL, structured query language, is essential for querying databases to extract raw data, supporting data-driven requirements gathering and analysis. Together, these tools empower BAs to turn data into actionable insights, enhancing decision-making and project outcomes. Process modeling and diagramming tools help business analysts visualize workflows and improve communication. Microsoft Visio and Lucidchart are popular platforms used to create flowcharts, UML diagrams, and BPMN models. Lucidchart alone has over 30 million users worldwide. BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, software provides a standardized way to represent complex business processes, making it easier to identify inefficiencies and optimize workflows. Common use cases include as-is and to-be process mapping, workflow optimization, and system integration diagrams. These tools enable clear, shared understanding among stakeholders, facilitating smoother project execution and better decision-making. Project management and communication tools are essential for business analysts to coordinate tasks and maintain clear stakeholder engagement. Jira and Azure DevOps help track requirements, manage agile sprints, and report progress, with Jira being used by over 100,000 organizations worldwide. For real-time communication, tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams enable quick decisions and updates, reducing email dependency by up to 48%. Common use cases include backlog refinement, issue tracking, sprint planning, and providing timely stakeholder updates. These tools enhance transparency, streamline workflows, and foster collaboration across teams, ensuring projects stay on track and aligned with business goals. The strategic value of Business Analyst (BA) tools is significant. These tools empower BAs to deliver precise, data-backed solutions that directly address business needs. By automating routine tasks, they enhance efficiency and reduce manual effort by up to 30%, allowing BAs to focus on higher-value activities. Additionally, these tools foster collaboration by improving transparency and communication across teams, breaking down silos and ensuring alignment. Investing in the right BA tools is a strategic move for organizations, leading to higher quality deliverables, reduced errors, and increased project success rates. Ultimately, these tools help BAs drive better business outcomes and support organizational growth.